Hi everyone, Becca here with Basics by Becca, and I'm going to give you a short tutorial today on how you can easily create a logo in Canva. So if you want to see more Canva or digital marketing tutorials, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. So what you're going to do is sign into your Canva account and just type in logo in the search box. And as you see here, Canva is going to give you over 7,000 templates. Now, some of these are available only on Pro. I do have the Pro accounts, but some of them are available on the free account as well. So you can scroll through these and see which one stands out to you, or you can go ahead and create a blank logo. So for example, I want to choose a little bit of a minimalist logo. So let's choose the color gray. You can even sort it by colors. And so I like this type of minimalist look here. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can go ahead and design something like this. So say we want to choose, for example, this one here. Now this actually gives you three different options right here. And what you want to do is just go in and customize it how you'd like. So say I was doing basics by Becca. Oops, here by Becca. And let's say I want to change the color on this. So for example, I want to change this to more of a grayish color, but I want to do light gray. So let's go ahead and type in gray here. And let's do this light gray color here. I like that more. Let's get rid of this. All right. So then I want to go in, of course, and change the elements. So what we're going to do is get rid of this element here and go to elements. And I want to choose a flower, but let's go to graphics. And let me go ahead and choose, I'm going to choose a free one to show you guys. So let's go ahead and choose, for example, this one here. Pull that up a little bit. Let's make it a little smaller. And you can go in and customize this however you like. So for example, what if I want to do some borders? You could find some great borders here. Let's choose, we want to maybe add this border here. Let's say we wanted to place this here. And let's say we want to get rid of the flower, for example. You can just decorate it simply like this. And that's, of course, just one example on how you can go in and create and design your logo however you like. Now, I want to also remind you that you don't want to use the same logo that you see here on Canva. You do want to customize it. You do want to change maybe the colors or the fonts, add some cool graphics to your logo, and really just customize it to your liking. And in Canva, it's easy and free to do. So with the free version of Canva, you can go in and create your logo, or you can use the Pro version as well to go in and create your logo. And I personally recommend the Pro version for anything that you do in Canva, just because you have a lot more options with that. But the free version is fine to use as well. So you can go in and create a free logo here on Canva. Easy and simple. Now, if you choose not to use one of the templates provided, you can go in and create a blank logo. So let's go ahead and do that real quickly today, and I can show you how to design it a little bit. So, of course, what you want to do is choose a background color. So let's go in here, and let's go ahead and choose like that gray color again. Do gray, and then I want to go ahead and add my text. So let's go ahead and go in here and do basics by Becca. And I want to make that cursive. So let's go here and choose that. There we go. And so you can use the elements, or I also have uploaded some elements here from Creative Fabrica, and I'll leave a link for that below. It's a membership where I go in and I find different elements to use, and I really like the different elements that they offer. So you can go in and do that as well. So let me go ahead and like choose this flower here, for example. Let's go ahead and make that maybe a little smaller. Let's line this on top and move this a little bit down to the bottom. You can make it a little wider, smaller. And then let's say I want to put a border on this as well. So let's go into Elements and let's look for border. Now, also what I like is if you see that a border that you like, go ahead and click on it. And what it'll do is give you some magic recommendations. I always like to scroll through these to see what they have here, because it's pretty similar to the one that you like or have chosen. So for example, let me see if I want to choose this border here. And you can, of course, like always go in and play with this. I'm just doing this kind of on the fly right now. But let's say that I just wanted to keep it like that. So we have this black border, we have the text here, and I added one of these elements here. So this, of course, is not a perfect logo, but you can go in and perfect it the way that you like. I'm just doing it, in the moment right now. So this is a way that you can go in and just completely customize your own logo to your liking. So I hope this tutorial today was helpful, and I'll leave a link to Creative Fabrica below. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you.